Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can download the Binance on your MacBook. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Google Chrome. So as you can see, I have already opened it. Now simply we have to write the Binance here. So I'm going to write the Binance for MacBook, and then simply we need to press the enter. And after pressing the enter, as you can see, the official site of the Binance will be open. Has a download button. So we have to click on the download button. And after clicking on the download button here, you will get some options. So app download, we don't want app, we want the desktop version. So we have to click on the desktop version. And after clicking on the desktop version here, you will get the our operating system is Mac. Then we have to select this one. And in the MacBook operating system, if you are using M1 or M2 series, then simply you have to select this one, Apple Silicon. We are using Intel chip, so I'm going to click on this. And after clicking on this, it will take few seconds or few minutes in downloading process. As you can see, the downloading process has started. It will take few seconds or few minutes in downloading. It's up to your internet speed. If your internet will be fast, then you will get the faster results. So in this way, you can download the Binance on your PC and install it. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can download this. So see you guys in the next video.